guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I have just got a band parcel coming in the post, and it's got some new bits in there. Not necessarily for skating, just like to use in general. But yeah, let's open. So the first thing I've got is a pair of shoes. Let's have a look. These. Wow, these are nice. Have these are some what are they? They are bandana black and true white band shoes. They're 5.5, which I'm sure is my size. I'll just show you a little close up of them now. But yeah, I really like these. These are nice. I have to try them on in a minute. Let's see what else we got in the bag. Another pair of shoes. I'll probably pick which one I like better and then send one in the bag that I don't like. It's free returns. Oh, these are sick. I think I'm going to pick these. These are so nice, honestly. Look at the sides. Can't skate in these, look at them. Look at so like rude. That's so nice. Here you got a little all around the side of them. They're lovely. They're so sick. Usually I don't really like pink and colours like that, but the actual bottom and the bottoms, which I'll show you a little close up now, actually really just like makes them, I don't know, nice. They've got a leather black bit in the inside of them, keep it nice and warm. But yeah. These are the shoes both on. This is the skeleton one. I absolutely love these, but my dad is going to order a size 5 in them so I can see what the size difference is, because these are a bit loose. These ones are perfect fit and they're really nice. Hope you like them too. But I got them in a massive sale. My mum got on a Vans account as well, so we got even more off it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's all for today. I might be going to Manchester soon, but as long as it all goes to plan, so you'll see a fun skate vlog there, football and stuff like that. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.